Okay, everyone, today we're going to talk about how we express our feelings and opinions in English. We're going to look at some very common verbs: love, like, don't mind, don't like, and hate. We use these verbs to say how we feel about people, things, activities, or situations. First, let's look at the grammar form. When the object of these verbs is another verb, we use the gerund form, which is verb plusing. For example, we say I like eating pasta, or I hate waiting. We do not say I like eat, or I hate wait. This rule is very important. Let's start with love. We use love to express a very strong positive feeling. It can be about a person, a thing, or an activity. For example, I love him, I love that film, or I love the artist's work. When we talk about activities, we use verb plusing, like I love eating pasta, or I love going on holiday. This shows a strong emotional connection, or enjoyment. Next, we have like. Like is also positive, but it is less strong than love. We use it for general enjoyment or fondness. For example, I like him, I like that film, or I like the artist's work. With activities again, we use verb plusing, like I like painting, I like taking pictures, or I like going on holiday. Now let's look at don't mind. We use don't mind to express indifference. This means something is okay for us, it's not a problem, but we don't love it either. For example, I don't mind that film, I don't mind the artist's work. With activities, we say I don't mind eating pasta, or I don't mind waiting. This means we are happy to do it if necessary. On the negative side, we have don't like. We use don't like to express general dislike, but it is not very strong. For example, I don't like that film, I don't like the artist's work. With activities, we say I don't like cooking, or I don't like going on holiday. It's negative, but not extreme. Finally, we have hate. We use hate to express a very strong negative feeling. For example, I hate that film, or I hate the artist's work. With activities, we use verb plusing, like I hate waiting, or I hate doing homework. This shows an intense dislike. Now let's connect this grammar with some art vocabulary. You can say, I love painting, I like drawing, I don't mind taking photos, I don't like dancing, I hate mixing colors. We can also talk about art objects, like I love this painting, I like that photograph, or I hate this picture. These structures help you talk naturally about art, hobbies, and creative activities. So, to finish, remember this: when you use love, like, don't mind, don't like, or hate and the next word is a verb, always use verb plusing. Choose the verb based on how strong your feeling is, from love to hate. This will help you express your opinions clearly and naturally in English.